Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my videos and don't forget to share your videos. Share the videos rather to those who are interested in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create basically a simple, safe digital banking website. You can see this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. Create your account, set up. So that if you're looking to start a banking business, then this video is for you. It also offers deposit, pension, loan, student loan, house repair, education. This is how the front end looks like. So I want to show you how you can install this particular script and how you can use it for your business. You can also use it for if you're learning skills on how to create something like this for companies, for bank industries, looking at our bank industries and customers who need such particular scripts, then this video is for you. Mainly just to emphasize, this is for educational purpose only. And this is how to go about it. This is the file. As you can see over here, this is the file. And I just extracted, you can see today's date when I extracted it. And this is the file here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this and say page HTTP error 500. So what I'm just going to do right now is I'm going to change this to 7.4. Okay, and I'm going to refresh this. So this changing this to 7.4. All right, so I'm just going to go back, come in, come in. All right, so as you can see here, this is the installation folder. You can see install, then click start installation. You can see requirement 7.1.3. So you can see check permissions. You can see that this is already, you can see it's ticked green. Then put a website name. So I'm going to call it sec hack 2.0. Then the URL, I'm just going to copy this URL. Okay, I'm going to copy this. So I'm just going to paste it here. Then the host, local host, the database name. So this is the name we're using. Like I said, to create your database, it's very simple. Just watch the video, which I'm going to put up there, how to do it. So you just come over to this side and create your database over here. So next thing we're going to do now is we're going to continue with the installation process. So the name, so I'm just going to remove this. All right, so I'm going to go over to my notes and I'm going to just copy this and copy, paste this. Then for the password, I'm just going to change this. All right, so I'm going to click on install. So as you can see here, this is the installation. So I'm just going to open link in new tab. So as you can see, this is banking website. As you can see over here, this is it. We've installed it here. You click on services, you can see these are services. You click on blog, this is the blog. Everything's working perfectly fine. About us, contact us. Basically, this is a preloader. This is a preloader. We're going to make changes to all this very soon. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open link a new tab. Then this is the admin login. So I'm just going to log in. Can see successful. Can see this is our admin panel where we make changes. So let's go to general. So you can see over here the logo. This is the logo that you're seeing here. This is logo you're seeing here. So you can remove the logo, put your own logo. Most times what you do here is just use remove.bg to make the background to go away, and loader. So you can see over here, I'm going to deactivate this. Going to deactivate this. So you can see here it has been removed. So let's say I want to reload this. Now you can see it's just going to reload automatically without the reloader option. Like, look at this now. This also was deactivated also. So what we're just going to do next now is breadcrumb banner. This is like the background image over here. So you can change it. The website content, you can see over here, you can allow withdrawal, you can activate it. Then your KYC, you can deactivate it. In tag.io is basically like live chats. So you can put account number, what do you want to generate? So you can put G GK. Then the live chat, just head over to talk.io and just follow the procedure on how to set up your live chats. I'm going to create a video on how to do that later on. So, but for this video, this is the default live chat. It's every live chat has URL while setting it up. Like I said, I'll address that in a later video. So what we're going to do now is going to just change the name to Tech 2.0, then change this URL. So just call it Tech 2.0. Then to put the URL link, just copy this, then just put your own URL here. So I'm just going to call it we're going to call this. I'm only trying to put the name. So copy and just paste, insert, then click submit. So now let's look at this. I'm going to scroll. So you can see the title changed to Tech 2.0 up here. You can see over here. So the next thing is I want to cookie consent. So I'm going to deactivate the cookie, click submit. The error banner, this is the error that, let's say they go to the wrong page. Then user modules, allow loan, FDR, deposit transfer, DPS, request money, wire transfer, withdraw, price plan, more. So once you click on this, on users account, they're going to see they're going to see they're going to see those things you activated for them. So homepage manager, hero section, this is where we edit. So let's say Tech Hack 2.0, and you put your URL. So let's just do this. Just put in HTTPS. So now let's click on update. So now let's come over here. Let's refresh this. You see Tech Hack 2.0. You can see it has changed automatically. You click on this, basically we lose this. Now let's say I want to target login, login for users. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to copy this. So I'm going to go back and I'll just change the URL here. So what it's going to do for me now is once I click submit, if I refresh this, you can see if I click get started over down here, you see the name over there by the left side of my screen. So I click get started, it takes me to the login page. So don't have an account, just change the URL. So this now we are done with this. So once I click complete the process, this is ignore this. You don't need this. We've set up what we need to set up as you can see here. You don't need that. I forgot to remove that from our side. So the next thing is account register process. You can see here, this is like the page, this account register process. This is it here. Yeah, register in minutes. Tell us about your business. You can see over here. So this is how to edit it. Then if you want to add payment settings, you can put currency, symbol, and the rest. So what I want to do now is you can see there are three customers here. So let's see here, you can add extra amounts for him, add amount 1,000. So click submit, server error because the user is not registered on our database. So what we're going to do here is users list. Now I want to, okay, update now details. So 1,000 pounds. Okay. So now what we're going to do now is, okay, let's delete all this first. So let's create a user, log out. Okay. Now let's log in. Don't have an account. Let's set up our account quickly. Okay, so let's put test at gmail.com. Let's put whatever you want to put here. Okay, for example, just put numbers and password. Just put something simple. Just put password. Let's scroll down, you see register. So yeah, this is our dashboard, as you can see over here. As you can see over here, this is our dashboard. So like I said, we just added users module. So this is the account number given assigned to the user. You can see over here home. You can see here it's, so let's say you want to do KYC verification. They drop their information here, name, their documents over here. The document over here. Then basically once they submit their information, it's going to process. So this is deposits, copy URL. So now they can change their currency. So you just log out and let's go back to admin. So let's log in back to admin. So now for the loan management, this is loan plan. So now for the users lists. So click on user KYC information. Okay, first money transfer, submit. withdrawal request. You have to add withdrawal method, withdrawal request, user KYC info, bank plans, then user list. So we're going to go over to edit. This is to help users maybe change one or two informations from here. Then for deposits, that's over here. Then I'm going to use payment settings. So for payment gateway, you can see these are the payment gateway that added. Then users list, details. So this is it. 100. I put 10. Add amount. So from here now, wire transfer bank. So you can add extra wire transfer. So basically this is it. So what you need to do now is over here we have general settings, custom CSS. You want to style your website, then you can do that. You manage KYC form. This is where you change it. So you can put NIN, you can put any information you want to put in, you can put it over here. You can put all any information you want to put in over here. Then clear cache. So you clear the cache of your system. So basically this is it. So let's say 1,000, add amount. So now it's going to show server error. Yes, but then it's still working perfectly fine. It's still working perfectly fine. So if you need this script, feel free to reach out to me and let me know. So I'm going to give you the scripts. We'll drop the payments. So if you need payments, to make payments, whatever country you're from, I'm going to show you how to go about it. Just reach out to me, like the video, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Also drop a comment section, next video you want me to create.